Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Galaxy slime. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So first of all, it's by this brand right here, and it is for ages 3 and up. It does come with 2 slimes, and this is what they look like. So as you can see, it is Galaxy slime. I'm going to give these to my kids. You can see it has like glitter all in there. And this is kind of like a thicker slime, just to kind of show you. This is what it looks like. So it's the ones where you have to move extremely slow or it breaks. So it's let's go ahead and see what my kids think about this. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.